lips next to mine, dear.
Hi. So as you can see, I have a dog with me, and you're probably wondering why. Then that's great news because this video is all about dogs. So his name is Boltu. Brought him to our home in early May this year. My mother actually found him in the market. He was being chased by big dogs, so my mom felt very bad for him and she rescued him from the marketplace. And when we first brought him, and he has a lot of ticks in his body still now, so we have to like disinfect him every 3 days and give him baths like once in a week. So today is a very sunny day and I decided that I would give him a bath today. One thing I wanted to tell beforehand that he really hates taking a bath. He hates grooming, but we have to give him a bath, right? It's for his own good. So we have to like wrestle with him and throw him on the ground to take a bath. So if you see those kind of things in the video, please don't feel bad for him because he doesn't get hurt. We make sure that he doesn't get hurt. So the first step is shampoo, and the shampoo that we use is called Tick Kill. You can either apply it on dry fur or apply it on after rinsing the fur with water. If you apply it on dry fur, you have to keep it for 1 hour, and then when you rinse the fur, it automatically lathers up like so. After drying him off, I would now use tweezers to pluck out the ticks from his body. He also has a lot in his ears. Then I would apply Savlon to the most infested areas because the smell prevents the ticks from coming back. And the last step is to apply tick powder. I'll apply it on areas where he can't reach with his mouth, like his tail, behind the ears. And then I'll use a comb to distribute it uniformly. I'm not any specialist or anything, but it works on him. This brat. So, okay, go. It's like a lifestyle for some people, like to show off that they have foreign dogs, they have Alsatians and German Shepherds in their homes. But I would always encourage everyone to foster roadside dogs who don't have like homes or who have never experienced love from human beings. They are very faithful and they provide great companionship to you just like any other foreign breeds of dog. And as because they're very low maintenance, anyone can pet them, like anyone can take care of them. So you don't need a big house or anything like that. They have never experienced love from human beings, so when you give them love, the change it brings in them is like, it's mind blowing. Like you yourself will not be able to believe that this is the change that came to them. So, and they are forever grateful to you because they have never like had a home before. I hope that this video really helped you to understand that in case you have a roadside dog, you will be able to take care of them just fine. So please like and share this video if you thought that it was helpful, if you thought it was informative. This is a very low cost maintenance video. So, and if you have tried it on your dog, then also please comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this and also other types of contents. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.